Just doing a quick video on the yzf750sp. Looking at it, figuring out what I'm gonna have to do to it. This one just came over from Iconic. First thing, there's something going on with the carbs. This is off. It has flat slide carbs, so I'll have to get that figured out. This actually happened in transport. This is a decal, so either I'll match that with paint or I'll have to get a decal for it. It's underneath the clear, so no matter what I do, I gotta paint this whole panel. This is a clear windshield, but I'd like to find an original one. That one's not original. That got broken transport too. It had a rough ride here, I guess. Honestly, it's a really nice bike. There's not much wrong with it. The rims, they're supposed to be purple, so I'll get those painted, which is cool. I had a brand new FCR 93 that had purple rims. One of the reasons I really liked that bike when I bought it. Just a quick photo of the FCR I bought back in 1993 with the purple wheels. Nice, it still has the fender on there that's uncut. I don't have a stock exhaust for it. I wish I did. I wouldn't put it on, but I like to keep the stock exhaust with the bikes. Got these fox eyes. They didn't import these bikes into the US just for the race teams. Canada got a few of them. The United States didn't get any of them though. Not for the street. Typical homologation, they probably had to make at least 500 of them so they could race them in World Superbike, AMA Superbike. I don't know how many they actually made. They made them from 93 to 97. I think 97s were leftover 96s though. If someone knows these bikes real well, chime in the comment section and let me know. But yeah, this one doesn't need much. I'll document everything I do to it when I get going on it. I've always wanted one of these, so I'm glad to have this one. And it's going to be a rider. I'm going to actually ride this one. So once I get the work done, I get those carbs straightened out. I know flat slides aren't the easiest to dial in. It's got the real long first gear. You're supposed to be able to do like 80 mile an hour in first gear. Well, cool. Just doing a quick show of the bike, figuring out what all it needs. It'll need little stuff too, like that stuff. I'm not too worried about most stuff like that really, because like I said, I'm gonna ride it. It's not just gonna be a showpiece, but I'll get it documented. Just a couple still photos of the 1993 yzf750sp. This is just a sample of some of the type of work we do here. So if you like seeing bikes get restored, or if you're just into motorcycles in general, please check out the channel. Time to start putting some clear coat on.